I was diagnosed with early breast cancer on a mammogram. A month later, I had a mastectomy. I then had 9 weeks treatment of paclitaxel and 17 weeks of an injection, and now on hormone tablets for 5 years. I attended a wellness program group, and that's where I heard about the survivorship program. Long-term side effects, which is fatigue, monitor your heart, symptoms to be aware of, how to get rapid access to a specialist if I have any concerns, and other heart checks and health checks to attend to. And if I need any referrals, just to contact the Allied Health here at Kyabram. Didn't realise I'd have so much fatigue and just little things that I may worry about, but they sort of put you at ease with it all. I feel comfortable knowing I can ring Lisa or anyone at the survivorship to bring an appointment forward, or if I have to need it earlier than what it is. Knowing that there was support after the completion of my treatment, having all my cancer treatment history and ongoing cancer medication documented in one form. So if I do need to visit a doctor, everything is there. I do not have to repeat every visit of what I've had. Everything is there in one compact. I would recommend anybody, any sort of cancer they have, is to join a survivorship program. I went through treatment. I had a lot of phone calls and that from breast cancer people, but now I've finished my treatment, you don't sort of hear from them. So you sort of feel like, oh, okay. You know, even if they only ring every now and then just to, how are you going? It could be years down the track, and I know if I have a problem, I can still ring Lisa. You don't want to feel forgotten, even though you're on the other side or in remission or whatever. You still want that feeling of someone is still there. And even 5-10 years down the track, you might be fine, but you still want that to know that it's still there.